Hello and welcome to How to Guide. This video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can separate the audio on OBS Studio. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. As you can see, I'm already recording my screen. Now you can see two types of different audios. The first one is the desktop audio and the second one is the mic or aux. I'm using mic or aux, and I have enabled only the mic and aux. As you can see that you can enable or disable the desktop audio from here, and if you want to go to the advanced properties to separate the audios, you can just go ahead and click on these three dots and you can go to settings as well. As you go to settings, you can see that you can increase the volume from here, change the sync on sync beat, and change the audio monitoring and change the tracks as well. I suggest you to keep the desktop audio and mic or aux in all of the tracks. This will provide you good audio quality and greater clearance of your audio dynamics. So if you want to add more audio options, you can see over here, and you can see the audio input capture and the audio output capture as well. You can go ahead and click on this and you can add it. And this way you can separate your audio from your separate audios, just like your Discord and everything. So if you want to delete this, you can just go ahead and delete this as well. Just go ahead and click on remove, which is over here. Just right click here and you can remove this and click yes. And as you can see, the audio has been removed as well. For more audio settings, click on settings, which is here. Go to audio and you can see on the general there are sample rate, channel, and under global audio devices there are desktop audio. You can select the type of audio you want, and you can write down or you can select the microphone over here, which will give you the access to record from microphone. So you can go ahead and do this, and you can easily separate your audio types on OBS Studio. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention this on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.